and waxing floors. We sand and seal the gym, cleaning up the pool, deep cleaning the rooms, cleaning all the furniture, wiping everything top to bottom. So we try to tackle the second floor, and then once summer school leaves, gives us about almost the same amount of time to do the first floor. Stripping the floors is probably my favorite thing, just because you can take something dull and dingy and dirty and kind of make it look new. Well, probably my least favorite is the start of summer where I'm in the rooms cleaning everything, because it's just the same thing over and over in every room pretty much. So yeah, I got a couple uncles that are truck drivers or relief custodians, and a brother's head over at Rose Hill, and then cousin over at Sunny Slope. My dad actually worked here for I think over 20 years. The cleanliness of the school for the kids, you know, just so they have a functional environment to learn in. So this is kind of our time where we can deep clean everything pretty good.